Welcome back to my channel. This is basically Brandon. We are on our way today to the Harlan Center Mountain Market. And so what that means is we're heading to the Harlan Center in downtown Harlan, where yard sellers, flea marketers, vendors, antiquers, crafters are all set up. And we are going to go through and we're just going to find some items that we can potentially flip for this vlog. You know, living in rural Appalachia, we really don't have a whole lot of places to go and get some thrift items, some antiques. There is one in downtown Harlan called Sassy Trash. It's a really cool place. If you've never been, I really suggest you check it out. She has over 32 different artisans inside of her store. Located downtown Harlan. Really cool place. Make sure you go. But for now, let's go inside and check out some of these vendors. The Mountain Market. We've got Ashley back here. Say hi, Ash.
Hello.
And we're just going to check out some of her food.
Today at the Mountain Market we have old-fashioned potato soup, chicken chowder, and broccoli cheddar soup. We also have the garlic cheddar biscuits and the sweet corn muffins, as well as keto blueberry cheesecake muffins.
We've been back from the Mountain Market for a few hours now, and as soon as I got in, I just kind of crashed, took a nap. But I had bought a few different things to flip today. But one of the items that I ended up giving to someone else. So I had bought some of the chairs that you probably will see in some of the B-roll footage. There's some orange and maroon chairs. I ended up giving those to someone, but for tonight's video, I've got a basket that I'm going to redo. I'm going to flip and give it some new life. So we'll jump right into that now. So the thrift flip that I decided to go with was to get this old basket, take this gold chain, and I was going to breathe some new life into it. The only things that I needed to do that was some Waverly white chalk paint and then this metallic spray paint. So the very first thing that you're going to do is just paint your basket with the white chalk paint. And this takes a little bit of time, so just go ahead and get started and just paint it, paint it, paint it. So the next step is we're going to spray paint this basket, but to do that you're going to need a plastic bag to cover up most of the basket. You'll only leave about 2 inches exposed, and you'll use some painter's tape to tape the plastic bag to the basket. I chose to spray paint my basket inside the house because it's kind of cold and rainy here, so I just put it into a plastic bin and I just took that metallic spray paint and spray painted the exposed part of the basket. So you're going to take the plastic bag off of the basket, and you may see that some of the metallic paint got onto the basket. If you do, that's okay. The only thing that you have to do is take a brush with some white chalk paint and just touch up those spots. Next, I took hot glue and wrapped the chain around the rim of the basket, and you can see that I didn't put hot glue at every spot on the chain. I just did it about every inch or two. Next, you're just going to clip off any of the excess chain that is going around the basket, and then you are finished. This new basket looks so good. I was so excited about it. You know, there are some like Anthropologie baskets out there that kind of look like this, and I spent 50 cents on the materials to do this. That's right, 50 cents for this basket. How cool is that? And then I just took a little bit of succulents and decorated with it, and you can do it however you want to if you choose to do a craft like this, but that's just what I did. Thank you again so much for stopping by and watching my channel. If you're enjoying the content, make sure that you do subscribe. Hit the bell whenever it comes up so that you can get notifications whenever new content does become available. Other than that, we'll see you next time. Bye.